exponent rule. So a, that makes a lot. So let me give you an example of that. Is equals to 1. Why is it? Now let me give you a proof. That makes a lot of sense because, you know, when we remember the quotient of a power rule states that a to the m is equals to a minus n, m minus, you know, you just subtract their exponents. Now let us prove it. Let is equals to a 0. Now is equals to 1. It makes a lot of sense because when you divide something to divide a number to itself, it's basically 1, diba? That's it.